What's up, gang? Thanks for tuning in. So I've got a set of 3W Autolive floor mats right behind me. We're going to install my 2017 Ford F-150. I'm going to show you the install process, of course the open box, and let you see all the details, how well they contour the edges, and all those things. If you're looking for a set of floor mats, you came to the right place. Let's get started now. All right, so first thing I'm going to call out is this nice carrying case that these came in. I'm going to get my knife out. We'll get this thing opened up. I ordered these for 3W directly. They came super fast. And actually, I couldn't believe it. Felt like just like the next day they were already at the house. Opened up, and look at these, gang. Not only are they a nice material, but it comes with this carpet that just pops right off. Just a way to make the truck look a little more premium. Again, they'll snap right back on. All right, that is the passenger side. This is the driver's side. A little more grip on here, but does the same process. Looks super clean. All right, and then here's the rear. All right, gang, let's go get that installed in my truck. So I went and pulled the old floor mats out, and what we do is just pop it right in. All right, as I work on the back one, I do have a reminder for you. If you have storage underneath your back seat, it's very important you select that. Because the speaker box, that's the main reason why I selected to have storage option in the back seat. All right, just a reminder, this carpet comes out super easy. Just a matter of just pulling it up, just like so. And then you have that.
Excellent!
And you want to put it back, just a matter of just lining these right up, push them down, and you're good to go. The biggest call out I have is just this carpet. I've not seen this for an F-150, especially 2017 option yet. I just think it just really helps set it off, makes it look more custom. Great feature. Again, you can take these things in and out.
All right, so I want to give you guys a really good review. So instead of using the floor mats I just installed, I put the same ones in my Silverado at the beginning of winter. As you've been following my channel, you know I went through 13 inches of snow and everything else.
All the light strands are connected! A terrible idea!
I've yet to clean these floor mats, and they're the same ones. I'm going to show you how hard or easy they are to clean. Let's check it out. These things are filthy. I've been purposely waiting just so you guys could see how dirty I got these bad boys. So I'm going to pull them out real quick. We're going to clean them off. Let's see how easy it is or hard and how well it turned out. First thing, I'm going to shake them off because they're filthy. Now, one thing I didn't do, you can always remove this during the winter time or mud, but I left mine on. But look how clean it is underneath. I'll give you a really good flavor of how filthy this thing is.
We're gonna see how clean it gets. All the dirt down there in the crevice. So I'm gonna start with vacuuming it off first. All right, so just initially, it came up really good. I do have some, I think, salt that's down in these grooves. I'm gonna try to get a little chemical on to clean those up, and then we're gonna wipe this thing here down. All right, just saw a mask. I'm not sponsored by these guys, but I do use a lot of this to the point I buy it by the gallon. This is just a non-labeled label from them, but it does have this Invinsible in it. That's what I'm gonna try to use to clean with, and obviously just a little brush here. So. I'm mostly trying to agitate the areas that are worse as far as the salt goes. All right, let you guys be the judge. To me, it looks brand new. All right, let me get the carpet piece out. We'll put that back on. Let you guys judge this. What do you think, guys? Cleaned up pretty good. I'm the only guy to do this stuff in the rain. Turned out pretty good. All right, gang, so let me show you the bed mat. So first off, if you get one of these bed mats, it's best to lay it down in the heat, maybe under the sun. It helps it relax a little bit better. But I would throw it at the back of my truck. Let's see what it looks like.
2,000 years later.
Both boxes come with these really nice air fresheners. Pretty cool if they do that. So I really like the wood grain etching it has in here. It's got these knobs that go right over top of the knobs in the back of your truck. But again, it'll lay flat, a little bit better, with a little bit of heat. But it contours the edges really nice. Take you over here and show you that. Same thing on this side. And all those waves, once it heats up a little bit, will lay flat. But I was really pleased how it turned out. I have to show you the carpet one more time, gang, before we wrap this up. So you're looking for some nice floor mats, you found them here. I'm going to drop a link down below for these 3W Autolife floor mats. Very affordable, easy to clean, contours very well, and it's a great option for you. If you have any questions or anything like that, drop a comment down below. Again, I'm going to drop the link, so you need more information, it'll be out there. If the video is helpful, hit the like button. And then I want y'all to have an awesome day. Take care.